Pero kapag sobrang sakit na, nag-voice out naman kami na hindi talaga namin kaya mag-work or mag-training.
As a young girl, how did you manage period pain?
As a young girl, I think we managed period pain by hot compress. Tapos yung tinuro ni Shi sa amin, yung itataas mo yung legs.
Oh,
Yung sa wall. Para magawas yung pain. Actually, effective siya, super. And then, ano pa ba? Siguro yung pagka-crave rin namin sa ibang foods. Doon kami na-distract sa pain. Ayun. And syempre yung mga pain meds, they're a big part of relieving the pain sa cramps namin. Sa lower back and the buson.
What are your realizations about period pain?
Yes, with period pain, it can really be painful sometimes, and sometimes we experience spasms, but like, well, after all, it's a muscle.
So is puson a muscle?